Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Surya Putra from Energy Conversation State Polytechnic of Semarang. And now I want to show you my presentation about how to clean your phone. We know it's important to wash our hand, but what about your phone? Here is guide to cleaning your phone. First, turn it off and remove the case. Do not use chemical and gels or abrasive wipes. They can damage the screen protecting coating. Simple soap and water will do the trick. Damp a microfiber cloth and can rub the surface. But don't get any moisture in the opening. Finally, dry your phone with a clean microfiber cloth. Well, test whether it's work or not. This device gives a reading of microbial activity, so we take a swab before and after cleaning. On surgical surface, a figure 50 or less required. The reading taken before cleaning are in red, after in blue. They are significantly lower than the benchmark 50. But remember to keep washing your hand regularly.